Pokemon cards have been a popular collectible and profitable venture for years. Here's how you can make money with them. Buy and resell rare cards. Search for rare and valuable Pokemon cards, such as first edition, holographic or shiny cards. Use platforms like eBay, Twitch or Facebook Marketplace to sell these cards at a higher price to collectors or fans. Cards like Charizard, Blastoise and Pikachu often fetch high prices. Trading Pokemon cards. Participating in trading communities or local card shops to swap cards. You can often trade less valuable cards for more rare or high-demand ones that can be resold at a profit. Pokemon card grading. Send your cards to professional grading services like PSA or Beckett. Graded cards with high ratings can significantly increase in value. Once graded, resell the cards for a higher price due to their authenticated condition. Set up an online store. Create an online store on platforms like Etsy, eBay or Instagram to sell individual cards or packs. Offer exclusive bundles or sealed boxes to attract collectors. Stream Pokemon card openings. Use platforms like YouTube or Twitch to live stream unboxing and card openings. You can earn money through ad revenue, sponsorships and viewer donations.